This is a question related to extraction of iron. The diagram shows a blast furnace. The following equations represent the reaction which take place in a blast furnace. A is carbon react with oxygen, give carbon dioxide. B is calcium carbonate decompose to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. C is calcium oxide react with silicon oxide, form slag. D is carbon dioxide react with carbon, give carbon monoxide. And iron oxide react with carbon monoxide, gives iron and carbon dioxide. The question is, which reaction is used to increase the temperature inside the blast furnace? Which reaction is used to increase the temperature inside the blast furnace? So the first reaction, when carbon react with oxygen, give carbon dioxide. This is the first reaction which increases the temperature of the blast furnace. Which reaction is example of thermal decomposition? How you identify thermal decomposition? When one reactant and more products are there, it's a thermal decomposition. When you have only one reactant and more product. So which reaction you have one reactant and more product? B. So B is thermal decomposition. In which reaction carbon both oxidized and reduced? The term oxidized means addition of oxygen and removal of oxygen also. Because this part is related, yeah, D is the right answer. You can see, because when it is carbon dioxide become carbon. If carbon dioxide become carbon, so oxygen is reduced. So oxygen is number is decreased for carbon dioxide. We call reduction. But if for carbon, when we check carbon become carbon monoxide, so oxygen is added, we call oxidation. So both oxidation and reduction happen. You have CO2, it reacted with C and give CO. So when we check carbon dioxide become carbon monoxide, oxygen number decreases, means reduction. Carbon become carbon monoxide, oxygen number increase, it means oxidation. So this is a reaction in which the element carbon both oxidize and reduce. D is the right answer. Which equation shows removal of impurity? Which equation shows removal of impurity? So C represent removal of impurity. Which substance shows reaction of acidic substance with basic substance? Metal oxide. This is a metal oxide which is a basic. This is a non-metal oxide which is acidic. Non-metal oxides are acidic, metal oxide are basic. So C is the right answer. Use the diagram of a blast furnace to help your answer. What entered the blast furnace at X? What is added to X? At X, what we add? You have to use the term hot air, not only air. It should be hot air. And what is removed from Y? Molten iron. Slag is above, not slag, it is slag, SLAG. Slag is low density, so it's above iron. So we remove molten iron from the bottom. Another question, similar question related to extraction of iron. You can see a blast furnace and you can see the same thing. Slag, molten iron are coming out. Air or hot air is blown from the bottom and the waste gas escape. Name the ore of iron which mainly iron 3 oxide. What is the name of this ore? It's hematite. HEA or HAE, both spellings are correct for hematite. Because some books they mention HE and some books they mention HAE, MATIT. And you can see a 6-mark question. Describe the reaction occur in the blast furnace. In your answer include 2 reasons of using a coke. Why we use coke in the blast furnace? 2 reasons: to increase the temperature. And what is the second reason? The purpose of the coke. First thing is to increase the temperature. What's the second reason? Not carbon dioxide. Yeah, make carbon monoxide or produce carbon monoxide. So the first answer was hematite, HEMATIT or HEMATIT. Both are correct. Then they asked the reason why we use coke. So you can see here, the coke react with oxygen or air to produce heat. That's one reason. The coke is reducing agent or produce a reducing agent, which is carbon monoxide, and coke can reduce iron oxide. Basically, coke produces carbon monoxide. These are the 2 marks. And then the third question was a chemical equation for the reduction of iron oxide. So a chemical equation for this reduction, you can see iron oxide react with carbon monoxide, give iron and carbon dioxide, or iron oxide may react with coke. These are all reactions are acceptable, but better this is the one which frequently happen. So you will memorize only one of them. The next part they ask, state the purpose of the limestone. Why we use limestone or calcium carbonate? So limestone basically produces calcium oxide. Limestone decomposes to produce calcium oxide, and this calcium oxide will remove the acidic impurities such as silicon oxide, sand or silica or silicon 4 oxide or silicon dioxide. So this will give you 6 marks. Describe the bonding in iron. What is it? What kind of bonding is there inside iron? Iron is a metal. Metals have a positive lattice of a positive ion. In ore, it is ionic. Ore is iron oxide. So iron oxide is a compound. But the question was, describe a bonding in iron. So when you describe a bonding in iron, you'll mention it has a lattice of a positive ion and delocalized electrons. So there's a regular arrangement of the positive ion and the free electrons. You will mention here, held together by a strong electrostatic force. Use your diagram, explain why iron is malleable, because the layers can slide over each other without breaking. So strong force between the layer. So layers can slide without breaking. We call that as malleable. It's of 2 marks, so you have to include these points. Iron contains a small amount of carbon. Why it is less malleable? Why it is less malleable? Because if it contains different atom, so size of atom of iron is different from size of atom of carbon. So the carbon atoms which are present will increase the friction between the layers so they cannot slide over each other. No, you cannot, the question is explain why steel is less malleable. So why it is less malleable? Because it contains different size of particles. So more friction between the layer cannot slide easily. Okay, so this was extraction of iron. But still, there are topics how you can convert iron into steel that we'll discuss next week. Any question related to this extraction?